Hello, welcome to the Fatu Network. We are right here at the Gambia College campus in Brikama. And now we are told that some of the students in the Gambia College did not pay their tuition fee, and as a result, these students are not allowed to do their exams. And some of them are also not allowed to do their lectures. As a result, we are here to engage the students and see what exactly is going on in this campus right here. Please do follow us.
In the college, we meet the executives of the student-teachers body, and they buttressed on tuition fee problems faced by their students since the change of government in 2016.
When you come to Gambia College and we look at the reality of the Gambia College, since 2016, students of the Gambia College were informed that Gambia College is now privatized. So that being the reason, but then we all know that, the students who are coming to Gambia College are, the sons and the daughters of the poor farmers. So that being the case, Gambia College being privatized is not an issue. Students are well aware of it, but the way in which the administration want to take issues are really affecting the students of the Gambia College. Because when you look at, for the recent issue that has raised an alarm in the Gambia College, students are denied of registration. Students are denied to take their examination without a clearance, which brings so many chaos among the students in the Gambia College, which is really affecting the children of the poor farmers. Because initially, the students were communicated by the administration that in order for you to register, you have to make a payment of your tuition fee. That is the half payment for you to register in order to start a lesson, which was done by a majority of the students. So students who could not afford it, were left at home, and they could not have access to education.
A lot of things have been happening recently since the resumption of college after the COVID-19 pandemic. So, which is partly that my president has already spoken to you about the tuition fee problem, and then at the same time it has been increasing like yearly, because for the year that we came in, it was 7,000. That was 2018. To 2019, it was adjusted to 12,000. So this year too, I think it's the same 12,000 that is going on annually. So looking at the times and then in which these tuition fees has been increasing, and then looking at the situation at which Gambia College was, and now it's very different, because before 2016 this new election election came and the change of office has been done, Gambia College realized that it was a place or an institution for the less privileged always, most of the time I would say, because usually some would even complete grade 12 with 7, 8 credits, but they cannot afford it to the university or other institutions in the country. But they would rather come to the Gambia College, which was free, and where they could start somewhere, earn a little, and then have a degree as a stepping stone to go to the next level that they want to. But since these changes has happened, everything has changed, and students are really, really suffering, because if something that was free has changed to 7,000, from 7,000 to 12,000, and then who knows, probably next year things might change. It's not only the students that are coming in, those who are pre-service that are suffering, but also in-service teachers who has already been in the field that are also serving the government. I find it really hard to come back to the college to further, and that is really worrying us. And these are things I think the government needs to help us with. Not only the Gambia College School of Administration can handle this alone, because most of these changes is not coming exactly from the Gambia College Administration, but from above. When I say above, I'm talking about Mohas and Mopsi and the others. So things have been really difficult with a lot of students. As you have seen earlier these days, photos have been circulating the internet and comments have been made, but as far as things are concerned, the government is not helping much, and they are the ones that we need actually to come and step in.
The Student Education Minister, Yankuba Sane, said the school principal introduced an undertaking through which some students might have the chance to sit to their exams.
Still now, there are some students who are in difficulties. Because if your undertaking is not approved, which means, you will not be sitting to the examinations.
What is an undertaking?
Undertaking is a procedure that has been initiated this year, but to be honest with you, it was a very prompt, agenda that was initiated by the college administration. Because undertaking is something that, came very late. Undertaking is the process where you write a letter to the principal to explain to him 1 or 2 reasons that failed you to at least meet the duration of your payment for the semester, and then you initiate a time, for example, like, I will be able to pay it in installment in this particular, let's say, for example, in every 3 months, I'll be paying this particular amount to be able to access my programs. So once you apply that, and it is approved by the principal, then you will be able to access the clearance.
We are talking about exams today, and exams is going to come again.
Yeah,
this problem is going to continue. Yeah. So are you saying if any student apply for an undertaking, whenever there is an exam, the principal is going to permit the students to do their exams?
Yeah, I think here the principal will be in a better condition to answer that, because undertaking, I'm saying undertaking is a letter that you explain to the principal based on your condition. So you have to at least put intangible condition for him to understand. And I'm very much so, whoever is to write an undertaking should write issues that may be very much trending to allow the principal to know that you are unable to meet your payment due to one reason or the other. So whoever wrote an undertaking should be at least understandable by the principal. But to be honest with you, to be frank with you, undertaking came as an idea, it was very late and prompt. And it is not an idea which is welcomed by the students at all, to be honest. Because it came at a very late time. When I came to realize that undertaking was going on, when examinations are at the corner, I believe they should have notified the general students, about all these issues of undertaking prior before the examinations. So to be honest with you, personally, I was not a bit happy about the issue of the undertaking, and it is not something that I have observed, properly.
Sala, Agriculture Minister student body, and one of the students talked about problems faced by students due to their inability to pay their tuition fee.
So just returning from this lockdown and you asking students to pay this big amount of money for them to be cleared and for them to be granted a clearance to go attend their classes and their exams is actually worrisome. So we are as students and student body, like student representative, is our concern to see how best we can work and tell the admin actually about these pending issues and let them allow students to make sure they sit to their classes and sit to their exam as expected. Because right now, if you put pressure on students for them to pay their tuition fee, if not, then they will not attend classes or they will not actually be granted clearance for them to attend their exam, because right now we know college, once an exam is held, it will affect you in one way or the other. Right now, if you miss any exam, even though you happen to graduate the upper year, you cannot graduate unless and until you complete those ICs or those pending exams that you ought to do and you didn't do them.
Yeah, the tuition fees, the payment of those ones, the students who couldn't pay their tuition fees, they couldn't understand them because they have their own philosophy and their reasoning about why they didn't pay, but they didn't want to understand them about that. And they are giving more difficulty. Things are very complicatable on those people. It is very sad in the Gambia College here. Seeing our colleagues, our fellow students, they are not attending their exams, classes. And it is very bad for that matter. Some people, their background is not strong, definitely. So they should understand them. After the exam, they will be able to pay before their attestation. But as of now, they are not doing that. They are denying them from doing the exam because of they didn't pay, and which is very sad. And they were saying that when they don't come with their clearance, when they are not clear, they will not do. What about when they didn't pay them? What will happen to them? So they just ban them from doing the exam, which is very sad. And that means they have to reach it and pay another money. So this still now, they are not reducing the loan from the students in the Gambia College. They are increasing difficulties more in the students.
The Gambia College students said the college was an institution built to give hope to students from less privileged homes. But all things changed after the change of government in 2016. They are therefore calling on the government and all donors to step in and help the crisis falling on the students.
The way forward will only be if the government should intervene, because teachers are nation builders. That no one can dispute that. So that being the case, if students of School of Education who are to become the teachers of the nation are really affected and not given the deserved education that they deserve, this is really not telling well of the nation that we are living. And actually, even the Gambia College, we believe that the Gambia College, together with the ministry, need to have that memorandum of understanding where the students who are on the School of Education can be given the education that they deserve. So when we look at the whole constraint that is really affecting the students in the Gambia College is too much. But however, we can't limit ourselves to the current issue that we are affecting. That is, students are not given clearance in order to sit to their examination, which is causing more harm in the School of Education and to the students that that are from poor background.
Now, right there with the students, we all heard what the student body and some of the students have said. Reporting for the Fatou Network News Review, I am Fatou Kamara.